What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Just as we can see, the market is really down. The market is really down. We could see gold is actually stable while the market is looking down. Everything is red at the moment. So without wasting much of our time, you could see I made it known to us in my previous video that we are most likely going to be dumping, and as we can see, that is definitely what is happening. So for more clarification, I will be making more analysis, making more emphasis on that. So without wasting much of our time, we will see it right here that we rallied all the way to this resistance at 89,90,000, and we dumped all the way from that level to that, from the resistance all the way down back to the support level. We broke below the support level. You could see us retesting the support, which ended up becoming a resistance for us, and we got the confirmation candle, and you could see we've been heading towards the $86,000 ever since then. So with the look of things right here, this is definitely what the market is looking at right now. From the daily time frame right here, we will see that if 86,000 is not able to hold support for us, we are most likely going to be heading all the way down to $83,000. So yep, that is definitely it for now, as we all can see, because if I should move to the 4 hours time frame, we could see that there's some level of support around this level. So yep, I think that's basically what we need to know. For now, we should assume the worst case scenario, which the worst case scenario from looking at this long-term chart right here, worst case scenario is us having to head all the way down to $70,000 range. Yep, I opened a very long position on Bitcoin, which 64,300 is where my liquidation price is. Obviously, I'll keep on buying the dip, I'll keep on adding more margin to that. So yep, with the look of things, it seems like we're at the level of support in a way, because if I should move this to the 4 hours time frame here, we could see that this might probably be some support level for us before we rally a little bit higher. So maybe this is where we might have some little bit of hope, because with the look of things right here, things are not looking kind of good. Yes, things are not kind of looking good for us right now. So looking at it right here, we could say that hopefully this level will actually provide support for us, and hopefully when we are going to be able to dump all the way down to this level, to this trend line right here, which is this uptrend right here, we are most likely going to see a bounce from $86,617 all the way into this resistance once more. So maybe this is definitely how we are going to be rallying, or we're going to be moving until we finally break below support and dump, or we are most likely going to break out, find support, and then rally. But we should be considering more of the bearish than the bullish, because we have to all expect the worst case scenario. So yep, that is basically it right here. For gold right here, we all know that the commodities are what is actually like doing very well right now. Like I said, something serious is going to happen in 2026, which I do not know, but the fact that these commodities are what is pumping right now, it shows that something very funny is most likely going to happen. So for gold, we are most likely going to probably keep on consolidating within this range, within the range of $4,488 all the way to $4,470, until we probably break out from this level right here all the way into God knows where, probably $4,735. So for stocks are still doing well. Yes, stocks are still stable, and this is actually a sign. This is actually a sign, a huge indicator that the fact that stocks are doing very well now shows that when stocks start dumping, Bitcoin is most likely going to pump. Sorry about that. So we've got all these indicators right here. We could see that the S&P 500 is most likely going to rally all the way to $6,973.75 next. So maybe when we get a very serious resistance here, maybe we're going to break out, maybe we're not going to break out. But until that time comes, I'll definitely be here to keep us updated on that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. That is that for Bitcoin right here. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.